Hello guys, welcome to my channel Technical Things. Many a times you have seen that when you open an PPT file and PDF and docs file into your mobile, it says there is not any suitable file to open this, not a suitable app to open this. So to solve that, you should simply convert your XLS file and PPT file or any file into PDF form. So today's video title is that how to convert an Excel file into PDF. So as you can see, that's the file that I created randomly, and you can see that is made by Excel, and its extension is .xlsx. So I want to convert it into PDF so that it didn't want any other app to see. As you can see that I have written dash hole and I want to convert this things into PDF form. So you have to simply go to home, office button here. You have to simply go to office button, and now you have to go to save as you want to select and tag or anything, or you have to simply convert it to PDF or PS. In other formats there are more options and also the PDF option. So let's go to other formats. You can also go to PDF or PS form, that's all same. So now you have to as you can see, the save as type is Excel workbook. So we have to change this type and we have to go to PDF file, type of PDF. You can choose any in this web page or any you want to do. So I will simply go to PDF. So as our title is how to convert to PDF. So okay, and now you can see you can add a tag or change the name of file. As you can see, it changed the file of name, that is on PDF, and now you have to simply go to save. If you want to change the directory or where the file is to be saved, you can say change that, as this file will be saved into desktop. So that's good. So now I have to and you to save that file, and it will take time. So as you can see, there is no loading, it is converted into PDF form. So you can see on desktop, as you can see, it is converted into PDF form. As you can see, there is an PDF file, the type of file is PDF. So we see that all things are right in PDF form. So as you can check here, the all things are same, and this is a quite easy way to see this on Android without installing any app. So that's easy to see and things very easily. So if you like this video, please like this video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.